Good morning vlog. So I'm starting this vlog a little bit later than I should have, but I just decided that I'm going to try to film today, and we're going to be filming a day of my life with a newborn as a disabled new mommy. It's about it's about noon. I was really nervous. Gideon's crying right now, so I'm going to try to make this fast. I was really nervous that last night was going to be an awful night. Because Gideon was not feeling very well all day yesterday and insisted that he would not stop screaming unless I held him. So I didn't get anything done yesterday besides loving on my baby, which is a lot. I love snuggling him, but he was just not having a good day. I think he was having some tummy issues. So we ended up figuring that out, and we actually had a good night of sleep. Like I said, it's noon and he's just now waking up for the day. He wakes up every 3 hours, but he's just not like getting up. So I came in here to get some clothes. We're gonna get him dressed for the day, and then we're gonna start our day as well. Like I said, he's kind of fussy right now, so I'm trying to hurry so that he's not in there just screaming his little head off. Little man is still in newborn size clothing, so what I did to make it easier on myself is pulled out all these newborn size clothing. I'm just gonna pick a little onesie to put him in. This one's cute, it's a little hand-me-down. I'm gonna go put it on him real quick. He's dressed, he's getting a little bit hungry, so I am gonna go try to give him some food. We are currently trying to breastfeed, but I just pumped not too long ago, so I don't know how well that's going to work, but I'm gonna try, I'm gonna attempt. If not, then I will give him a breast milk bottle. He does get supplemented with formula because he was technically a preemie, and so he needed to have a higher calorie diet, but I really think the formula is really upsetting his tummy, so I'm really trying to navigate away from that as long as my doctors say that it's okay. But as long as he's getting what he needs from me, then I think that it would be fine to supplement. So I'm really trying to do breast first and then formula if he still needs something, but I'm gonna go feed him real quick and get me some lunch as well. Baby bear fed, and now he's just chilling in his little baby lounger. I'm gonna go get some food, and then I have to shower really quick because my mother-in-law just texted me and said she's gonna be here in about an hour and a half. And if you know, one, I move slowly, two, having a newborn makes everything go slow. So I'm gonna try to get me some bites, give him medicine in, and take a shower real quick while he's chill. So if anyone's curious what I'm eating a breakfast sandwich because they're super easy to cook. And we need to get groceries. Jacob's gonna pick them up after work today because we still haven't got hand controls on my car yet. So I can't drive, and I wouldn't want to drive anyway because it snowed a lot here. So I'm having a breakfast sandwich and some turkey bacon. I've also had snacked on some Cheetos and some Girl Scout cookies because they were fast and I'm hungry. So I'm going to literally inhale this right now because I've already had to stop twice to go give him his binky because he's fussy again. I'm hoping today's not another day where he's feeling super sick again because I hated seeing him like that yesterday. But like I said, my mother-in-law will be here shortly, so it will be nice to have her so that I can get some stuff done. And if I can't shower before she gets here, that's okay. I'll just put on some clothes because right now I'm not wearing pants. And I'll shower tonight when Jacob's home so that I can get it done finally. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat now because I'm starving. We need to be held right now by our mom. Are you flipping me off, bro? What the heck? So I didn't get around to showering, so now I'm going to brush my teeth. I'm going to brush my hair and kind of freshen up a little bit. I just throw in some leggings, a sports bra, which is a must. Some sort of bra like that is a must if you're breastfeeding or pumping, which I'm going to do a whole video talking about things that have been helpful to me like in my breastfeeding journey, because I have some thoughts about some things. So I'm gonna brush my teeth real quick and just kind of freshen up because I feel stinky. I really need to take a really good shower. In the hospital, they gave me these, like, let me show you real quick. In the hospital, they gave me these disposable washcloths so that like bathing was easier, because I told them that I was really nervous about showering. I haven't talked about it. I'm not like embarrassed or anything like that, but I did have a 2nd-degree tear, and with me being paralyzed and not knowing like what's going on down there, like feeling wise, I've been really nervous about showering, and I'm pretty sure they told me not to use soap. So this has soap on it, and I feel safer using this down there than I do anything else. So I've really been using these, and I like them a lot in the shower, but I still feel really stinky, so I need to take a really good shower tonight, I think. I'm also gonna say, even though it needs brush, it's been up in a mom bun, I've been loving my hair lately. Like, it's just so full, so thick. I know that it's probably going to die, you know, in a couple weeks when I go through that great postpartum hair loss. But right now I'm just soaking it up and enjoying it, and I can't brush my hair on camera because it hurts really bad and I'm very tender-headed. So I'm going to zoom through this, and I just want to tell you that I've really been liking my hair. Like, this has been up in a bun for 2 days. I just took it out and I'm gonna brush it and then it'll be good to go. Super low maintenance. I love how long it is. Like, I've just been feeling myself lately, which is really good because I was really nervous about how my view of myself and my body was going to change after, like, in postpartum. But I have had nothing but love and admiration for my body, and I have been feeling like so good about myself. And I'm really glad that that's how my mind shifted on this one. My battery's dying, so I'm gonna zoom through this really quick. I'm ready for the day. I'm going to start picking things up because Gideon's actually chilling pretty well in his little lounger. The first things first is I'm going to be cleaning off this desk right here. I filmed this altar haul like a couple of days ago, but I haven't put the makeup away yet, so I'm gonna do that. And then I have these little shorts that I just took the tags off. I have to go put those in the laundry, and then I'm gonna start a load of his laundry so that he can have some clothes done, because like I said, he's not out of the newborn phase yet, and we didn't get a lot of newborn stuff. A lot of the stuff that we got was hand-me-downs, and so we've just been cycling through the same outfits until he's big enough to move on to the next size, because we have a lot of 0 to 3 months, and these pants are actually 0 to 3 months. I sent Jacob to get newborn pants the other day, and he got 0 to 3 months, so these are actually shorts, but Jacob said they're probably gonna be pants on him. I don't know, he'll use them, I'm sure, at some point. I have to take a small break to feed the boy and change him, but I'm trying to decide what I want to do with this, because in the top it has the palette, and then in the bottom it has this other drawer, and I just think it's so cute. So I don't know where to put it on my desk yet, but I need to do something with it. So I picked up this desk. I'm gonna go do his laundry now and clean the living room. I'm starting to feel really sick. My stomach's really starting to hurt and I'm getting a headache, so motivation's starting to die out. Jacob should be home within the next couple of hours, so that'll be nice to have somebody here, and his mom should be here too, so we'll have more people here. And I probably need to eat more, to be honest with you. It's like 3 o'clock. What time is it? 2:47, and I have not ate very much. Had 4 pieces of turkey bacon, 2 Girl Scout cookies, and some chips. So no wonder my stomach hurts. Jacob's mom ended up coming over, so I'm just now getting around to getting things done. It's much later in the day. She stayed for a little bit, hung out with us. I'm gonna do a grocery haul real quick because Jacob went and picked up some groceries for us. We do grocery pickup, and I try to do things like a week at a time. Sorry, Gideon's crying right now. He's fussy. We're having lots of tummy troubles. So I'm gonna do this real quick, and then I'm going to do the laundry that I talked about earlier. So here's an overview of what we got going on, and then we got lots of drinks over here. So I do different types of meats. We eat a lot of chicken around here. We're gonna do some hamburger thing. We're gonna do shepherd's pie, which I don't really like red meat that much, but shepherd's pie is pretty good. We haven't had it in a while. I love these baked Cheetos right now, and we have lots of sandwiches and stuff like that, so I like having those for sandwiches. I've been on these hot dogs. These are the beef franks. I love them, and I thought we could have chili cheese dogs sometime this week. And then this deli meat, it's the Sara Lee. It's so good, I love it. And then we got cheese. These bacon cheeseburgers are great for Jacob to have for lunch real quick. He just heats them up and he says they're pretty tasty. Some hot dog buns, some mac and cheese. Kraft macaroni and cheese is the best kind of mac and cheese. You guys can fight me, I will die on that grave. And then I just got some canned green beans and chili. This is for shepherd's pie. This is obviously for chili dogs. And then we still got to go get a couple more things that I have to go in the store to get. So that's just like a quick overview. And then, you know, our Diet Dr. Pepper. laundry and I got some of the kitchen cleaned. It's about 6:30 right now. I'm gonna pick up a little bit more and then I think I'm gonna start making dinner because I'm hungry. I really want to put zero effort into making dinner, so I'll probably do chili dogs because they're super easy to do. On the list tonight was not chili dogs, it was shepherd's pie, but I don't want to do the effort to put in to make that right now, so I'm not going to. So yeah, I just cleaned up this little area right here that you see. This is just by our stove. Our stove was pretty nasty because Jacob made burgers, and then I wanted to redo this area because we're gonna start using our Keurig again, I think. So I just cleaned that really quick. Nothing super special, just wanted to pick it up and organize it a little bit more, and I like the way that it looks now. So I'm going to probably pick up some more and maybe do some dishes if I have energy, I don't know, and then make some food. I'll probably do dishes after I make food if I have energy, which I probably won't. We're attempting to figure out how to give Gideon his first bath. Can't hear, he's getting cranky in the back. Jacob and I have no idea what we're doing, so this is going to be fun and interesting. We're setting him up on my little shower chair. Apparently with a newborn you have to use this swing or something. Swing, hammock thingy. So Jacob's gonna install that, and then we're going to figure out the temperature that we need to do and get him in here. And I'm obviously not gonna show you that because that's my son and that's weird. After his bath, we went ahead and fed Gideon and put him down for bed, and I'm going to go lay down because I'm feeling pretty tired myself. There's a lot of other things I needed to get done today, but sometimes things just don't get done the way we want to. So I plan tomorrow for being a much more chill day because my to-do list is pretty small. I have a couple of thank you cards to send out and like write and send out, and then I'm going to be editing this vlog, getting that uploaded, and doing some content creation for my Instagram and TikTok and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow because that's a little bit more relaxed than cleaning the house. So thank you guys so much for watching and spending the day with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know what you guys want to see from me in the future, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.